Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can recover your Instagram account as quickly as possible. I will show you two methods. The first method is to do it yourself, and the second method is to hire a professional. If your account is very important to you or has a large number of followers and you are willing to spend money to recover it, you can hire a professional. Hiring a professional has a much higher chance of recovering your Instagram accounts than doing it yourself. Let's see the first method. In the first method, you have to fill out these forms. I will leave links to both forms in the description. This is how you have to fill out the forms. Fill in your legal first and last name here. Put here the email that is linked to your account that was disabled. Then put here the Instagram username that was disabled. Then put in the phone number that was linked to the disabled account. This box is the most important part. This is not legal advice, but this is what you should write. My lawyer has read the terms of services and claims I have not violated anything. Please reactivate your disabled Instagram name. Now you have to fill out this next form. Is this account used to represent a business, product, or service? Select No. Here, you have to write the exact same things that you have filled in the first form. Your name, disabled Instagram username, email address connected to the disabled account, and in your country section, it is recommended to put United States or you can put your real country. And now, another step you should take to increase your chances of recovering your account is to email Instagram support. Send email to support@instagram.com. In the subject section, write Instagram reactivation request. In the body of the email, write, "This is not legal advice, but this is what is recommended to be written. My Instagram account was deactivated due to a violation of the terms of service. My lawyer has read through all of the terms and claims and determined that I have not violated anything and that this was a false deactivation. Please reactivate at your disabled username." Click send, and now you have to wait for Instagram's reply. You can get Instagram's reply in under 24 hours, but most of the time, it takes around 7 days. It is not guaranteed that your account will be reactivated, but filling forms and emailing them will increase your chances of getting your account recovered. Now let's see the second method. This method is to hire a professional who will help you recover. If your account was important or had a huge number of followers and you are willing to spend money to recover your disabled account, this method is for you. You can go to this website, swapd.co. I will leave its link in the description. Go on the website and search for Instagram recovery, and you will find many people that are offering recovery services. Look for good reviews, compare fees, and choose the right guy. Thanks for watching. I hope your account gets recovered soon. Like and share this video with your friends.